In this video, we are going to show you how to set up and use the wait step. Before we start, please keep in mind that the wait step uses the contact's time zone. Plus, it is important to note that it does not reopen the 24-hour window for Facebook Messenger. This means that the Facebook message block or flow will not fire if the wait step is more than 24 hours, except if you will follow the wait step with an SMS or email block. Now, to create a wait step, click on the plus sign on the middle bottom part. Or just double-click any empty space on your flow builder. Then, select the wait step among the list. Adjust wait settings to your needs. You may choose among duration, specific date, or date and time custom field. First, if you will choose duration, you may select among seconds, minutes, hours, or days. You may also add a time interval. This will allow you to just send follow-up messages to a user during hours you prefer. Second, if you will choose the specific date option, it will allow you to select a date and time you prefer your follow-up message to send. Third, if you will choose the date and time custom field, it will allow you to select among the custom fields you created with the type, date and time. If you want to learn how to do that, please watch the video up here. Now going back to our example, let us set it to 10 seconds. Now let's test it. Let's wait for 10 seconds. There you have it. That is how you set up and use the wait step. See you in the next video.